I completed your 3-day training, and
Okay.
I was going through the motions. The thing where I got stumped is I was using chat to draft my book, and
Okay.
I think I picked a profitable niche. I used your Kip Scout,
Mhm.
but I'm not an expert in the subject matter. So how do I know if my book is any good? I don't want to write AI slop.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know what I'm writing is even right.
Is good. Yeah. No, that's good. And this is where, like, for your 3-day challenge book, right? The whole idea is really it's to help you increase your confidence so that you're like, oh, okay, I can do this business model. I can publish a book. This wasn't as hard or as challenging as I think, right? That's why it's a shorter book and everything. And that's why I suggest pick a topic you know, right? Like just pick something you know. And so it's like you're writing a book for a friend to read, right? When we go through the full program and we're creating our actual book to make profit and to do this properly, one of the key things that you're doing is customer research. And it's essentially you learn about the thing that you're writing about or that you're getting AI to write about. And so like I've published books on topics that I do not relate to at all. However, to ensure the quality of the book, I have to learn a certain amount about that topic and about that customer so I can, because my responsibility to ensure quality assurance is there. Right. So you just got to like learn enough about it to understand or to ensure that the quality is there so you can understand the concepts and everything in the book, especially to make sure it makes sense. Mm-hmm. Right. So when you're reading it from chapter to chapter yourself, you're like, okay, yeah, this makes sense. That's good. We brought this up here. Okay. Why are we talking about this here? Maybe that should be moved. Does that kind of give you a bit more?
Yeah, I think I should probably research the subject matter before. I mean, I liked the subject matter I picked, but I was like, I don't know if this is even correct. So yeah, I'll do some more research.